What's going on, traders? Looking at a market preview this week for the stock market. Right now we're looking at the SPY. As you see, now the SPY has kind of broken out. S&P has broken out, but it's retesting, so we know it's really bullish when we get a trend line support, okay? And then a bounce through resistance and then a pullback right around the trend line. So this used to be resistance. Now, hopefully, it can hold up support at the 354 level, 355 level, and continue to run. Let's look at the Dow Jones. And once again, we see now the 200 period is looking like the support for the Dow Jones right now. And now it's broke. It made a clean break above this trend line resistance and pulled back. We know that's bullish because when it pulls back and creates support where there used to be resistance, that allows the next move up to come. So we're looking at big things in the market this week, and let's get into some stocks right now. What's going crazy? We got the EV sector. So EV sector is going wild. Look at the volume. The spike that came up. Look for a pullback, okay? Look for a pullback. What I always look for is a break above the close, and once it breaks above the close, which is right at the 11 level on solo, we can get back and retest, but it's going to have to break above 11 to make another run. What else? Net Element, another stock, EV, 1285. It looks like was the top of this channel. So the moving average here, the 20 on the 5-minute, looks like the channel that is trading in. If it breaks above 1280, then we can retest again. So be on the lookout for that. Tesla, the stock that made every one of the other small stocks in the small cap EV sector, clean energy sector start running. So this thing hit 508, made Elon Musk one of the top 5 richest people in the world. So we're looking for this to retest 500. If it doesn't, where else could it go? Well, let's find out. These trend lines that we drew days ago, okay, they're holding. So you see that we got a cross. We got crosses on these moving averages, which means the stock should be making upward moves, okay? So you see the volume is crazy. It went sky high. Now, it held on low volume. Usually when we get this low volume, okay, when we get low volume like this, then the price action follows, okay? But we got a major fall off in volume and it's still holding. That's really bullish because if we get back to these volume levels at 62 million, then we can see another upward move, okay? What else are we looking at? KXIN. This stock made a big move on the last trading day. So again, what do we always look for? Volume. When the volume goes, the price goes. So we're looking at open at 360, 358 after a gap up from $3 and a run all the way to 7. So we're going to be looking for this to get to retest. Okay, we're looking for it to retest, and hopefully it can get above this channel that it looks like it's trading in. We talk about support and resistance. This used to be resistance, now support. It bounced up, but we see where it's tried to go several times to the 630 level, okay? And so it's broke. It tried to make a break, but it keeps pulling back into this channel. So expect a good entry to be around this, between this trend line and this 200 period moving average, as long as it holds around $5, okay? And if not, if it breaks up and this resistance becomes supports, look for another move, another big move in KXIN. Last stock we're going to look at, SPI. And by the way, biotechs are running too. They're trying to get vaccines to get this pandemic under control. So all of the vaccine stocks are going to be in play as well, but we're just sticking to a specific sector right now. Oil and gas may also get high. We're just looking at what OPEC is going to do as far as the oil and energy plays. So SPI, we got in around 10:30. See, it ran to 11:03 and pulled back. So it's made some pretty nice support at this 950 level, and looks like a big range that we're trending in. So we should go up and test the top of this range. Okay, we should go up and test 11 again. If not, look at support around 850. But either way, on the daily, this chart is set up beautifully. I mean, what else could you ask for besides a constant trend up? This stock is ready to blow. We got a little bit of volume. So we know that big moves, they do not hide their hand. There's a volume pop. There's always a pop before the big move. So we're hoping this was the pop. Okay. Looks like they may have some earnings tomorrow as well. So we're looking for this big pop and a continuation. So again, we're looking at Clean Energy, Sun W, same stock, same chart. Okay, same stock, same chart. Clean Energy, renewable energy, again, broke temporarily, but when we can't hold this support that was once resistance, then we fall back into the channel. So you should look to test the 6. If not, you're looking at support around 550 again. So again, we're looking at a big week in the market. What about cannabis? Democrats have the White House again, SNDL. Okay, having a little choppiness here. Okay, so we're looking at this stock holding. Okay, holding the 20 is very important. Most stocks make the biggest move when they are holding above the 20. It tried to break temporarily below, but it held. As we see, the moving average is, we'll have to zoom and see what's, anyway, the moving average is, the 20 on the 5 is, or 20 on the daily is around 25 cents. And right now it's holding just above 25 cents. So this should set us up for a move above 30 and into the 40s, maybe a retest to this 200 period moving average again. What about Tilray? Tilray, what are we looking at? The same stock. So Democrats got in office, stock runs up. Okay, all the hype dies down. So now we're back around support levels. Okay, so right now Tilray needs to hold $6, around $6, and then we can look for another move up, maybe another retest, who knows. So again, should be an exciting week. Have your trade plan. This is an even better chart. We're looking at this double bottom, here, and we're at the lows from this $14 run up. So we've tested. Here we go. It makes a bottom, runs up a little bit, makes another bottom, and now we have a break. If we can hold this $7 area, okay, we can look at retesting 14 if we get some good news on policy and law. Sorry, retest 12. So like, share, subscribe, message me if you want coaching. We have new programs, new rates, and you can email me at greenwoodstocktrading@gmail.com or message us on Twitter or comment. Have a blessed day and have a great day in the market tomorrow.